In this guide, I'll show you how to change your PlayStation Network email address on PS5. So, the first thing you want to do is select Settings on the home menu and select Users and Accounts. From here, you want to wait for the account settings to load and you want to scroll over and select Sign in ID, email address. So, once you open this up, it'll show your current email address associated with your account. So, you can go ahead and erase this now and input the new email address you want to use for your PSN. Now, if you get the check mark, that means it's available. And now you want to go down and select confirm. Then it'll have to verify your account by inputting your current PSN password. So you can use the QR code or you can select sign in manually and input it here. Now, once you've done that, you can go ahead and press OK. And then it's going to ask you to sign in again using the QR code, or you can sign in manually. So now you'll see your new email address right there, and you just want to enter in your old PSN password, and then you can go ahead and select sign in at the bottom. Now you are going to have to verify this new email address, so go ahead to your email, and once you're there, you should see this email from Sony, and you want to select verify now. Now it'll bring you to this page, and you'll just have to go to OK at the bottom. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.